A very good afternoon to you. Feeling so much colder for all of us this week as temperatures fall, freezing, frosty and icy, with wet, wintry conditions to come for many of us in the next 24 hours. Warnings in place for snow and ice as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning, the first wintry weather of the season in many locations. Something of a split set up this afternoon with the best of the drier, brighter weather across the north and the east. Occasional sunshine, but a lot of cloud. Further south, further west, pouring rain to come. Staying a little milder through the far southwest, if quite breezy. For the rest of us, a much chillier theme. The cold Arctic air across Scotland and northern England will mean temperatures struggle all day. Barely above freezing for northern Scotland, with frost and ice in sheltered spots and showers turning a little wintry with sleet and snow across the highest ground. For the rest of us, the rain makes some headway northwards overnight, clashing with the colder air, giving a combination of rain, sleet and snow in many locations. And away from the south, freezing, frosty and icy into the new day. So much colder for all of us this week. Freezing, frosty and icy as temperatures fall. Some wet, wintry conditions to come in the next 24 hours. Numerous warnings remain in place for snow and ice in some locations through the night and into the small hours, the first wintry weather of the season for many of us. A combination of rain, sleet and hill snow passes its way from west to east overnight and into the first stages of the new day before moving off into the near continent. And then cold Arctic air plunges its way from north to south. Temperatures tumbling, freezing, frosty, icy nights, a biting, bitter wind chill as the rest of the week wears on. Showers will be blowing into those coastlines, giving a wintry mix of sleet and snow inland. Otherwise clear and crisp, some sunshine, but feeling so cold. Overnight, we've got further outbreaks of rain, wet and wintry as the rain clashes with colder air. An episode of sleet and snow to come, particularly across higher ground of northern England, North Wales and the North Midlands. And here, where the snow settles and accumulates across any higher routes, there could well be some disruption into the first stages of the new day. Otherwise, temperatures falling away, freezing, frosty and icy as we head into the first stages of Tuesday morning. The lowest temperatures through sheltered glens of Scotland and northern England. In contrast, across those southern coastlines, nowhere near as chilly. Here, blustery winds and some showery outbreaks to come. And into Tuesday, further rain, sleet and snow showers into northern Scotland. Elsewhere, the wet, wintry weather will tend to fade for all but the far southwest. It stays a little soggy here, a little more cloud across those southern counties. Otherwise, sunshine is set to return, sparkling blue skies, but feeling bitterly cold. Temperatures likely to struggle all day with a biting, bitter wind chill, adding an even colder feel.